Have you ever felt like your legs are just too tired to keep up with your spirit? Maybe you've noticed those little blue veins on your calves, or felt a strange tingling in your toes. I know how easy it is to brush these things aside to say, "Oh, that's just getting older." But what if I told you, there's a simple vitamin that can help heal weak veins and restore healthy blood flow, something most doctors never mention. Hi, I'm here to share a little secret that's changed the lives of countless seniors, including people just like you and me. It's called vitamin K2. Now don't confuse it with the other vitamins you've heard about. Vitamin K2 is different, and it's quietly working wonders for people who want to walk farther, feel lighter, and keep their independence. You see, as we age, our veins start to lose their strength. The walls get thinner, the valves don't close as well, and blood can pool in places it shouldn't. That's what causes those swollen, achy veins. And even worse, it can increase your risk for dangerous clots. But vitamin K2? It's like a gentle gardener for your blood vessels. It helps direct calcium exactly where your body needs it, into your bones, not clogging up your arteries or veins. It also supports the elastic fibers in your veins, keeping them strong and flexible. Studies show that people who get enough vitamin K2 enjoy better circulation and healthier, younger-looking blood vessels, even into their 80s and 90s. So where can you find this miracle vitamin? It's in foods like aged cheese, natto, that's a Japanese fermented soybean, egg yolks, and chicken thighs. But let's be honest, most of us aren't eating natto every day. That's why many seniors choose a gentle K2 supplement, often paired with vitamin D3, for the best absorption and protection. I want you to imagine getting up each morning with a spring in your step, feeling the blood flow warmly through your legs, ready for a walk in the garden or a stroll with your grandchildren. That's the power of honoring your body with the nutrients it truly needs. If this message touched you, or if you've tried vitamin K2 and felt the difference, I'd love for you to share your story in the comments below. Your experience might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today. Remember, always check with your doctor before starting any new vitamin or supplement. Your health is precious. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more gentle wisdom and wellness tips just for you. You deserve to feel strong, vital, and connected to life at every age. Thank you for watching.